zombie apocalypse is closer than you think. Run! Check out more interesting recipes on our channel, Pick a Trick. Subscribe to enjoy fun life hacks and unusual ideas. Follow the link in the description. Where is this rustling noise coming from? There is someone in the kitchen. This is our zombie, Clementina. Are you hungry, friend? And here is the treat for you. It's a fresh and tasty hand. Melt green chocolate glaze. Add ball-shaped breakfast cereals to it. Put a rubber glove into a glass and pull it on the rim to make the job easier. Put in the mass. Spread it out evenly over the whole glove. And refrigerate it so it sets. Carefully cut the glove and take it off the hardened mass. Free the chocolate hand. I love fingers! They are so crunchy! Clementina, what? Huh? People are so faint-hearted. They won't even let me have a snack. Let's go, my human friend. Clementina is hungry. I love soil. It's yummy and nutritious. Ben, want some? But he doesn't support this diet. Your loss. Clementina is angry at Ben because he doesn't share her taste in food. I don't want to talk to you, human. Well, Ben will quickly fix the situation. Worms on a plate are a great snack for zombies. Melt Fruittella in a microwave for 20 seconds. Knead it. Shape a worm when the mass slightly cools. Make hollows with a toothpick. Copy ringworms. Put a few worms onto a plate. My beloved worms! Yummy! Ben, you guessed it right! Ben just can't keep in mind the fact that zombies don't like human food. He keeps offering Clementina candy. Ew! It's disgusting! Juicy eyes are a whole different story. Look, Ben, my eye is winking at you. Process sponge cakes in a blender. Roll a ball and refrigerate it. Dip a wooden skewer into chocolate glaze and stick the hardened ball onto it. Dip the whole cake pop into white glaze. Color it with different shades of glaze so it looks like an eye. Make a few eyes of different colors. Ew! I'm allergic to eyeballs! Come on, this is just a cake pop. Not bad. And it's yummy! I have a few more. Awesome! These are the eyes of our enemies! Oh no! A zombie with an axe is attacking Ben at his own home! A zombie apocalypse is already here! Hey, Benny! What's wrong with you? This axe is edible! It isn't harmful! Roll out pre-made gingerbread dough. Cut out an axe along a template. Bake it for 15 to 20 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Melt blue chocolate glaze. Add a drop of black food coloring to get a needed shade. Color the blade of the axe. Phew! Sometimes I see weird things. Clementina will never hurt me. Eat this axe and forget about your fears. It's sweet. Studying is pretty hard. Ben's brain is about to stop working. Zombies hurry up to his rescue. Eat a fresh brain and you'll become smarter right away. Melt 3½ ounces of marshmallows in a microwave for 30 seconds. Add 2 ounces of ground coconut shreds and 2½ ounces of melted white chocolate glaze. Add red food coloring to the mass. Wait for the mass to cool and roll one part of it into a ball. Make it slightly flat on a plate and divide it in half using a toothpick. Roll the other part into thin ropes and shape brain wrinkles. Attach them to the base. This is exactly what you need! A brain snack is a tried and tested way to increase your IQ. Wow! It is so delicious! Ben starts solving problems super fast. The power of his brain doubled and he became extremely smart. Ben has a bouquet for his friend. It's dead, scary, and crooked, just like she loves it. Clementina will be happy. These are her favorite flowers. And our zombie prepared a surprise for Ben. It's a sweet cupcake from beyond the grave. Shape a gravestone on parchment paper with chocolate glaze. Add a title. Make a hand with green glaze. Make 2 holes in a chocolate cupcake. Put the hardened gravestone and the hand into it. This cupcake looks a bit deadly, but it's still very delicious. Ben destroyed a sweet grave, and he doesn't even leave a piece to his zombie friend. Huh, he is so greedy. Clementina, guess in which hand I have a treat. It's a set of fresh teeth with calcium. Amazing! Cut a long chewy candy and take out the filling. Roll it and shape a tooth. Make a cut and shape a root of a tooth. Make a lot of teeth. Put them into a plastic box. Add a label. Clementina loves crunching on some teeth. This is more delicious than croutons. I ate the teeth of my best friend? Hey, it was just a prank and you fell for it. Zombie smells prey. Where is it? Here it is, under the couch. These are some hand-picked and tasty bones. Divide a white wafer in half. Cut off the edges and make a hollow on one side. Join 2 wafers using white chocolate glaze. Attach the cutout halves to the sides. Copy the shape of a bone. Coat the whole piece with white glaze. Adjust the shape with a knife after it hardens. There is nothing tastier than a fresh shin bone. Don't touch this! It's mine! Clementina, catch a ball! Huh? It's so easy to distract a zombie! And the bones are actually delicious! Ben decides to prank his friend. This human smoothie is so good! Yummy, yummy! Process 1 peach, 3½ ounces of raspberry, and red food coloring in a blender. Make a smoothie. Pour it into a cup and attach a zombie label. Hey, Ben, what's wrong with you? It was a joke. It's a side effect of a zombie smoothie. Mmm, it's very good. Let's check your reflexes. Benny, catch it. Ah, I won't fall for it. Although, come to me, ball. Well, this was a nice human. Did you like our zombie food ideas? Comment below which treat you'd cook for your zombie friend. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new zombie recipes from Troom.